Oh, yes. Oh, yes. We fall into the arms of love on this snowy morning. As we take a deep breath, breathing in the everywhere divine that is outside us, connecting with that divine that is inside us. Yes, yes, we are that divine. And as we exhale, release any loneliness, anything else that stands between you, me, us, and the peace and the love that is inside us in that place of the divine. And we're going to do that 2 more times, breathing in, connecting in our hearts, exhaling, releasing anything we need to release that allows us to be so here, so connected with the divine, and so connected with one another. One another, so grateful that on snowy days, on COVID days, we have these wonderful Zoom technology platforms. And we know that energy can be felt. We are so grateful. And so we take a few minutes, a little while, a few seconds, sometime, to be with that love, to be with that connection with ourself inside, and to connect with one another. Seeing what may be available to us, or feeling what may be available to us, to you, to me, to us collectively in this sacred space of deep, velvety silence. Beginning now. Return from this silent place, knowing that connection is always there. We think of those this morning that we know and that we don't know. People who are cold today. People who are hungry. people who are struggling. And if there are people that you know who need to feel our collective shot of this love energy, speak their name aloud now. Knowing that as we do that, consciously or unconsciously, they feel our love. They feel an unexplained lift. And beginning to open the eyes, stretch a little, taking ourselves back into this outside space, keeping that inside connection.